Brad Williams, XL Prime.
How to choose the best chart elements. One thing here that's a little different is the layout. What I did is I took Microsoft profit and loss information and I hid the rows that serve no purpose. I have this configuration or this layout here, and all I need to do is highlight this range instead of holding down the control and the shift keys. I can just take this information and I can go insert recommended chart. It spits out exactly what I have to the right here. That's just a simple and quick way of building a chart. Control Z. Now, in terms of elements, this series here is an element. This data inside here is an element. We have elements and elements and elements. The best way or the easiest way to get to an element is just use your mouse and just click. And if you look at any of these zeros, it's going to have a description. So we have chart area. Go over here to the outside, we have a chart area. If we go and we just click this arena here or this area here, we're going to see horizontal vertical axis. If we just highlight the information here, it says vertical axis. If we highlight this area here, it's going to say legend. Let's say you want specific data. You can click this. It highlights everything in this data range. Well, what if you want specific data? Double click. You're going to get this format data point. You can go in and do whatever you want to do there. You see this pop up here, this reminder or this helpful hint. If that drives you crazy, if you find it annoying, you can shut it off. Go to File, Options, Advanced, go to the Chart section. Under Charts, you see Show Chart Element Names on Hover and Show Data Point Values on Hover. Just disable both those, hit OK. Go back to the chart, information doesn't pop up. Otherwise, go back to File, Options, Advanced, Chart, and Enable, hit OK. And you can see the information pops up anytime you hover over a particular data set. Your choice. If you find it difficult to navigate, in other words, to find specific information, you can always go to Format Current Selection. I visited this before. Go up here, click within the chart, go to Format, go to Current Selection, Chart Area, and if you want to find the plot area, it'll define the plot area. If you want to format a section, this display feature will show up. If you want to reset everything to match style, you can click here in the current selection, or as I showed, you can just right click outside of the data set in the chart area, just right click, and you can also reset to match. There's other tools in here that we're going to discuss in a minute. Here are some options. Go to chart area. If you need to go vertical axis, major grid lines, it just took the grid lines. Go to pivot. You can see where earnings before interest and taxes is highlighted. You can double click it if you want to make changes specifically to this particular data set. Now, moving around the chart, you can use your up arrows and down arrows, your right key and your left key. Hold down Control key, and I'm pressing the down arrow. Be within the data set, hit the right arrow, and you can see that it's moving along within the data set. The up arrow, you can see the changes, the down arrow, the right arrow, the left arrow, and lastly, the mini toolbar. Now, within a chart, you have the area chart, and then you have the plot area. You can right-click your mouse, and here's a mini toolbar. You can also click the chart area, and you have another mini toolbar. I'll do that again. Go the plot area, right-click your mouse. You're going to get this mini toolbar, and then click out, move out of the chart. You're going to get this other mini toolbar.
Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.